Hi, today's fitness tip is about how to lose 1 pound of fat per week. I know that may not seem astronomical, but actually it's the best way to lose weight and to keep it off. So here's your question. 1 pound of fat equals how many calories? The answer? 3,500. That's right. Sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Well, the best way to lose 1 pound of fat a week is to make that daily deficit that equals 3,500 at the end of the week. So per day, you need to have a deficit of 500 calories. And the smartest way to do that is to burn enough calories that equal 250 and then exercise enough that equals 250. Now, to make a healthier food choice that equals 250 calories, it doesn't have to be drastic. It doesn't mean you have to eat salads all day and apples with peanut butter. It could be as simple as that normal Big Mac that you eat. Take off the cheese, take off the mayonnaise. That's 250 calories right there. So don't get discouraged, keep focused, stay with it, and if you want more tips like these, check us out on our websites.